So today we have, what do we have? I've got a Zoom meeting with our business members. So if you're a business member, we are doing Zoom meetings Thursday mornings at 10 a.m. The link to get to that Zoom is on the business member page on my website, auntietech.com. Beyond that, we're going to be talking today about possibly making more time slots for targeted business owners, like Etsy owners and people who buy and resell, and then other different types of businesses, so that we can meet with like businesses that I don't know. I'm still kind of processing that. I have to update the website because I update it on Thursdays for the newsletter on Monday, so that it's all ready to go on Monday. I can just say, hey, this is what came out on Thursday, and have fun using it. So update that. The same.
We might have to pray some more.
That's crazy. That's the number you've been getting to?
Yep.
Do we want to do a match?
You could.
Like try to have the fundraiser match this?
You could, yeah.
Or exceed it?
Yeah, that'd be cool. Could be creative.
Did you spy on me?
No! You saw me. I was in the kitchen, wasn't I? How many times have you asked me to give you a hint or some kind of...
But is that...
guidance?
Can you vouch that this is a good way to let God lead? Because last time I told people to do that, you laughed at me.
Oh. No, okay, so we're talking about financially supporting our friends on an adoption. And I said, hey, we should pray about this, and then let's write our numbers down without talking to each other about it, and then reveal it. And you have asked me numerous times to give you some kind of hint. What was I thinking? And I knew you hadn't landed on a number, so I told you, hey.
But I did. I landed on this number like 3 days ago, and I was like, that's an interesting number.
Yeah.
But it's... So, I don't doubt that we could...
I folded it up, and I walked off, and you hadn't even written yours down. So.
We were able to raise... How much did we raise for CHI in our craftathon?
I think 16,000.
But that was with our...
That was with a match.
A match. So we were able to raise like $8,000, right?
Yeah.
So we could easily match this, especially because the fundraiser is going to be really cool. All right, guys, if you want to see Landis, how she made this, she filmed a tutorial.
Yep, I'm going to go edit it right now.
She came up with this idea. Well,
semi by myself.
I didn't help her, but she might have gotten help from like Pinterest or something.
No, Sierra, my cousin.
Oh, well, yeah, the crayon thing's not new, but you came up with the flowers and the painting behind it and all that.
Yeah.
I won't say any more because your tutorial.
Yeah.
They have to watch your tutorial.
Yeah.
Sorry.
My tutorial. And subscribe. I need 5,000 subscribers. Pronto. ASAP.
Do you now?
Yep. So does JC. She needs me to have 5,000 subscribers too.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, you did it on an Auntie?
Yeah.
That definitely should go in our bathroom.
Yeah. And we can listen to music while you shower with this.
Yep.
Oh, it's one of the speakers.
Should make one.
Ones.
Is she facing me? Oh. Okay. So she's on the phone with her friend, and her friend's birthday's in like a couple days, and then we were just like literally going, you should make one for her, and then she was like, it is for her, and I was like, oh, because I've been just telling her to put it in our bathroom. So, you okay? Riley doesn't feel good. All right, you guys ready for the DIY of the day? So I love camera bags because obviously I take my camera lots of places, but I just I just discovered that you can buy camera like insert packs. So you can get them on Amazon. I'll put the link in my Amazon store, but you can get them in all different sizes for lenses, for all the things. And so I just started buying those and really cute backpacks. Again, I'll put this in my Amazon store. I tried to do it with the Loungefly. It was a little big, but I do have my Loungefly set up for a camera as well. But this just pops right in the backpack, and then it protects your camera. It's all good. So DIY for the day. Just buy one of these, put it inside a backpack. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, Thursday must be my day that I actually desire to like clean my house, but I am pretty much done with everything I said I was gonna do this morning. I have a couple more touch-ups I need to do to our church video, but I'm gonna attempt to fold the clothes. It's been exactly a week since I tried, but I'm gonna fold the clothes. I'm gonna go upstairs, put on a show, and fold the clothes. Anyways, I wanted to talk a little bit about real life homeschooling, okay? School is back in session, and I feel like homeschoolers are getting a bad rap because you guys are all locked in your houses with your kids, and you got nothing to do, you have nowhere to go, and you also don't get funding. So, well, you guys are getting like some people are getting like Chromebooks. Guys, we get funding to spend our money on things, and it's the end of the year, so we usually have money left over and we get to go shop at the homeschool store. Now, I shopped probably like a week or two before the lockdown. Now school's back and now our funds are going through and we're able to get our stuff back. There's a light at the middle of the tunnel. I feel like we're nowhere near the end of the tunnel, but there's a light, okay? So this is one kid's box. This is another kid's box. And they're full of books and curriculum and things that we'll probably do into the summer. And guys, you do not have to homeschool for 6 hours a day, okay? Like an hour a day is good enough for learning time. You're one-on-one. You are undivided attention, which is the same as one-on-one. And you can focus on areas where your kids are fully struggling and let them have fun with the areas that they just that they're naturally good at. So like if your kid's really good at history or loves history, you're not gonna have to force them and they can probably learn that on their own. So focus on the areas where they struggle and take this one-on-one time to take an hour a day maybe to focus on it. I know you guys, somebody tagged me in my group and was like, Tay, how do you do this? And one, this is not homeschool. We normally are out doing fun things. We can shop during the day when nobody else is there. We can go places where no other crazy crowds are because most people are in school. So there's a lot about homeschooling that is just not being portrayed in this quarantine. So I just want to show you guys end of the year boxes they're in. And I think we even might get some of our money back for one of the classes because they were not continuing it. So that would be like another $200 that we would get to spend at the homeschool store, but I'd have to do it quick because the year's almost over. Okay, should I go fold the clothes? I'm cleaning the house while Dustin's gone. He left for like an hour and he was like complaining that the house was dirty. And I was like, I'm gonna clean it. I'm just gonna get it done so when he comes home, it's clean and it's really not that messy. Apparently the guy has never stayed home for this long because now he's starting to see messes. This quarantine is messing with our husbands, guys. He never saw this stuff when he had stuff to do. Now he doesn't have very much stuff to do, so he's like, I have mom brain. Okay, my arm hurts. Vlogging is hard. Let's see what Landis got.
Okay, so... Oh, I forgot I got this. Oh my gosh.
You just finished doing that, huh? Or did you finish doing it? The soap making?
No, I'm gonna do that tomorrow.
Oh, there you go.
I know, it comes with molds. That's perfect. So I got a soap making kit. So it comes with a soap base and it comes with dye and like smells, and it comes with shapes. Like you could do an emoji shape, a peace sign, a star, and a cupcake.
Are you gonna film it and put it on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay, so subscribe to her if you want to see that.
Living life loud, all capital L's, no spaces, and I need 5,000 subscribers ASAP.
I told her if she got 5,000 subscribers, I'd consider giving her an Instagram account.
Consider?
Please be careful.
Oh my gosh, you know what
I
Dad
would say yes,
said?
but Dad would probably say no.
No, do you know what Dad taught to me while I was uploading my video?
What?
He was all, why is Mom making you wait to 5,000 subscribers?
He doesn't even know what he's doing.
Instagram.
Ugh. What's that?
This is my succulent terrarium.
Oh, I totally forgot about
They're
this
not real
stuff.
succulents though, but they're fake ones and they look so cute.
That is cute.
Yeah. I
Careful,
got
Briley, please.
a handwriting book. It's like for
Daily
first
handwriting.
graders. But
First graders? How did I not see? What? How did I not see that you got this?
I want to work on my handwriting. It's horrible.
Okay.
Yeah, so I got that for myself. And then
I guess it says all grades.
yeah, I got these pastels.
Faber-Castell pastels.
Yeah.
Pastels are fun.
I know.
Have you ever done watercolor on top of them?
Mm-mm.
It's pretty cool. It like resists them.
Oh, these are the
We
like
turn the UV off.
they're metallic gel sticks. You can write on black.
Ooh,
So and it's like a
like gel pen sticks.
yeah, but it's like a
That's the wrong one. That's
pastel.
the wrong one.
No, I know, but it's like a pastel.
Oh, it's like a pastel, but
Yes.
for black paper.
Then I got this mini sketch pad, and it's a I got it because it's watercolor. Gotta do the watercoloring. Oh, I forgot I got this. I got paint by number.
That's exciting.
I
And
know.
it's Faber-Castell. I love that the homeschool store carries Faber-Castell.
Yeah.
That's like good art supplies.
Yeah,
That's all? I didn't get you a math book or anything? Or did we get it on Briley's account?
probably no.
Okay, let's see what Briley got. Yep. Oh.
Oh, the second watercolor dream thingy.
I swear, the end of year feels like Christmas because we have to spend the rest of our homeschool funds and like
Really though.
we've done all the schoolwork, so now we've just got stuff except this one who's a little behind in math. So she's working on math through the summer. Daily word problems, math, 2 math books.
Oh.
Another math book. Are you sure that's not for Landis? No? No, because Landis was taking a math class.
Yeah.
World War I posters.
Yep.
It's a puzzle, 1,000-piece puzzle.
And the travel the world one.
Oh yeah, I forgot we got puzzles.
Oh, and this one, I'm excited for this one.
Oh yeah, let me see that. I can't pull, my phone's charging. This one has all the continents and then it has little pictures of all the animals and where they're from. So you can tell where they're from.
On the front.
This is a cute puzzle. That would be easy to do.
Yeah.
I'm over the hard puzzles. We don't got time for that. We only have like 18,000 more days of quarantine left. All right,
Don't remind me.
now we gotta make a schedule. Back to school. The breeze. Oh, the breeze is amazing. It's been a long day and I'm still not done, but I'm gonna close out the vlog because I have not been doing that. You say goodbye. See you tomorrow. Say see you tomorrow. I don't know why he thinks vlogging has anything to do with him. Like as soon as we start vlogging, he was literally just sleeping. He just wakes up. My hair. I really am digging the shampoo. I haven't used it again. I usually don't wash my hair. I wash my hair like every 4 or 5 days. So we'll see how well it works, but it should be doing the opposite of what normally happens when I wash my hair, which is my shampoo washes the color out. So this should be making it more vibrant. So I should be going the other way when I dye my hair or when I wash my hair. And it actually made my hair pretty soft. The vacuum just knocked over something. Oh, it's just a stepping stool. Trying to clean this house. So remember those house cleaners I used to complain about who used to keep me in line because I had to clean my house for them to come? Now they're not coming at all. And nobody's keeping me accountable. So it's just me. Well, no, it's actually Dustin. He was like, can we clean? It's like, yeah, I guess we can clean. Okay, we'll clean. So I'm going to do laundry tonight. I'm not going to vlog that. Y'all have seen everybody do their whole house cleaning routine. If you want to see that, I don't know. I thought about maybe doing how to keep your house dog clean, like when you have a dog, because we have a lot of hacks, kind of, for keeping our house dogless, smelly, and my friends can maybe attest for that, but they probably are like, no, your house really smells like a dog, and I'm probably just like totally, I know that we probably smell like a dog. He's always around, but he's a drooly dog. I did not know that I was going to get a drooly dog when I got a dog. And so we have hacks for his drool. He usually has a bib on, but I haven't had one on him for a while. So if you want to know hacks on keeping a house semi-clean with a dog, I can do that. But I ain't about to show you how I clean my house because that's boring. But this is so much more entertaining, right? Okay. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.